actually looks like it's having so much fun with your car.
And it looks like they scratched the top to the bottom.
Yeah, so it looks like it's just loosening it up a little bit, yeah. That bull is noticeably bigger than the rest of them. He's still rolling around.
Oh.
One of them obviously still in its foot or something. Face planted. So it's probably going to move up into this woodland area on our right here and not go towards that other water hole.